I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm going to be putting together the treadle assembly today. I'm going to be using these rivets that I made the other day. Now, something that I found, the rivets are slightly bigger than 1/4 inch. They've expanded a bit during the process of putting the head on them, partly because they're crooked. I think the effect of the heating caused the hole to expand in the railroad spike when I was driving this into it. No worries though. I'll just go a little bit bigger with the hole and I'll be good. They won't quite fit into a 1/4 inch hole. They're a little snug in a 17/64. They'll slip right through a 9/32. So what I want to do is use a 9/32 drill to punch the holes a little bit bigger so that I can use my rivets. And I just happen to have a couple dozen of these laying around. Before anybody complains, yes, I cheated. I used a power tool. I'm not that fussy, and making the project work is quite often more important than having the exact historical piece that I would use to do a restoration. And I just want to do it this way. There we go, rivet drops right through the hole. I'm going to have to reshape that rivet head, but before I do that, I'm going to set the second rivet. With the first rivet in place, I can take out the 1/4 inch bolt that's holding the two pieces together, which I'm using as a crutch because it helps keep everything lined up. Now, I don't want to grab a hold of this 1/4 inch bolt with my hand when I go to take it out, because I just spent all that time heating up this plate. That little soliloquy there was more for my benefit than yours, because I wanted to remember to not grab a hold of that bolt. Now we'll drill out the hole. And set the second rivet. I was once asked why I didn't just mount the vise to the end of the bench. Well, when I had unlimited space, a blacksmith shop in addition to having the regular shop, I would have done that. Would have done that in a heartbeat, because I had additional space. But now I'm working with limited area, so I have to make it do multiple tasks. Not perfect, but more than adequate. Solidly cinched up.
I have to come up with some way to hold this thing in place. Doing it on top of the chisel rack just won't work.
If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.